Hi, here is a very cool item from Intersky Hobby. It's the F501 series 2.4 gigahertz ready to fly electric helicopter. In the box is everything you need to fly. There's the directions. Protective cover off of here. This is really cool. This is a USB plug for charging the helicopter, a spare set of rotor blades, and a small screwdriver. Very nice little coaxial helicopter. And the best feature is the radio. This is not a 2 or 3 channel radio, it's a 4 channel radio. And this is the trim. So if the tail starts drifting left, you can turn this and trim it back to the right. And then if it's drifting to the right, you can trim it back to the left, right there. So it will fly very stable. Now this is an indoor helicopter, but it can be flown outside. And in the next video, I'll try to get a flight of it, maybe inside and outside. From Intersky Hobby.